Plants do not move much and have many dead cells in their tissues. They do not need much energy, so they have a transport system much slower than that of animals. Transport system in plants is less elaborate. In plants, for transporting water, minerals, and food, specialized complex tissues are present. These conducting tissues are xylem and phloem. Water and minerals absorbed by roots from the soil are transported to other parts of the plant body through xylem. Thick-walled dead cells, tracheids and vessels form the conducting elements of xylem. Vessels are cylindrical in shape with their ends open. Tracheids are elongated, thin spindle-shaped dead cells with pits in their cell walls. Xylem fibers are highly thick-walled. Xylem parenchyma are living thin-walled cells. Vessels and tracheids of xylem tissues in roots, stem, and leaves are interconnected to form a continuous system of water-conducting channels reaching all parts of the plant. Root cells in contact with the soil actively take up ions. This creates a difference in ion concentration between the root and the soil. Thus, there is steady movement of water from the soil into the root xylem. This creates a column of water that's constantly pushed upwards. During transpiration, water is lost through the stomata. This is replaced by water reaching through the xylem vessels in the leaves. Evaporation of water molecules from the cells of a leaf is called transpiration. This creates a suction that pulls water from the xylem cells of the root. Transpiration thus indirectly helps in the absorption and upward movement of water and minerals from roots to the leaves. During daytime, when the stomata are open, transpiration is the major driving force for movement of water in xylem. Transpiration, along with capillarity of conducting elements of xylem and cohesion of water, create transpiration pull. During night, when there is less transpiration, root pressure helps in transport of water. Transpiration is defined as the process by which plants lose water as vapor from leaves. Since evaporation reduces temperature, transpiration helps to regulate the temperature of the plant. Transpiration pull. Transpiration creates a suction pressure which pulls water from xylem cells. This is the force that aids in drawing water upward from roots to leaves. Transpiration pull is a passive physical process. Root pressure is the pressure with which water is pushed into the xylem tubes of the stem as a result of continuous absorption of water in the root. The water and minerals absorbed by the roots are conducted upward to the leaves and other parts of the plant. This upward movement of water and minerals is called ascent of sap. Sugars and other metabolites synthesized in leaves and substances like hormones synthesized at the tip of the roots and stem are transported in other parts of the plant through the conducting tissue, phloem. Phloem is a vascular tissue that conducts food from the leaves to the areas of utilization of food. Phloem consists of living sieve tubes and companion cells. Companion cells have nucleus and other cell organelles. However, nucleus and other organelles are removed from the cytoplasm of sieve tubes to have smooth conduction of food. Transport of food from leaves to the other parts of the body through phloem is called translocation. Movement of food in the sieve tubes of phloem, both upward and downward directions, takes place by utilization of energy from ATP. Companion cells help in this process. Sugars are transferred into the phloem tissue using energy from ATP. This increases the osmotic pressure of the tissue, causing water to move into it. This pressure moves the material in the phloem tissue to a region having less pressure.